Hello, everybody. Welcome to Milson Media Channel. This time around, I bring to you how to pack your homemade goods into gift items for people, friends, customers, and all that. But first of all, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You would help us grow. Thank you for doing so. Thank you so much. So, without further ado, I'll show you some of the materials I used here that I'm showing you. You would find the sticker papers that I used. I just got them online and they came really cheap. I think it was less than a euro, if I'm not mistaken. And then the second item here is just a paper that has been made into the shape of an envelope. Yeah, kind of, sort of. So it's really spacious, as you can see, and you can, if you were to put big items or plenty stuff in there, they would fit in nicely. Next is this set of cardboards. Yes, I'll show you in a bit how it, yes, that's how exactly it's supposed to look like by the time you're done arranging. I didn't use that for this video, however. And then this one is my favorite. So much fancy. Like, it came out really nice. It's supposed to be shaped like a house. And they turned out really, really nice. Everyone loved them. Yes, yes. And then the Christmas colors, if you would notice, it has all the colors of Christmas. This was done during Christmas, so it really made a whole lot of sense. White, red, and green. I would like to remind you to subscribe to this channel again. Please do. It will help us to grow. And of course, turn on your notification bell so that you can get more updates from Milson Media. Thank you. So here are the goods already made and ready for packing. I'll show you in a bit how I packed them. Yes, there we go. I put all the stuff in there and then I just shaped and put on the ceiling. Now you notice that I'm using a toothpick to poke out the holes in the cardboard, because it was otherwise it would really be difficult to put in the string of ribbon that I'm trying to do right now. So the toothpick really came in handy, and it really made it nice. And then you're gonna tie that up. And I added more stickers because it was cardboard and the stickers were really small. I needed to to make sure that it wasn't going to open at all. Of course, there's a little card somewhere there, like a thank you card, where you can put whatever little note you want to send to your customer, your friend, or whatever. It's really nice. It's a nice idea. They loved it. Everybody loved it. I would love something like this as a gift. It's really fancy. It's cute, you know. Yeah. Let me know if you try this or if you love the idea. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. By the way, before I started this, I washed my hands thoroughly. It's very important. Sanitation is key. We don't want anyone falling sick because we want to give gifts. Okay, so here I'm using Ziploc bags because this time around I'm using the paper packaging, and I felt that it was good to be sure that the items in there were really secure. So, and next I'll just stick the sticker papers to that. And so yeah, nice and dandy. Done. Simple. And I just repeated that again and again and again. So once more, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. It would help us grow if you do. And please share the content with friends and family. Thank you so much for always watching. And there it is. So nice. And everyone loved it. Do you love it? Let me know. Let me know. Until I see you some other time. Bye.